Welcome back to the Wisdom Hub. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of asteroids, with a focus on one particularly notorious space rock, Asteroid 99942 Apophis. Buckle up, because this is going to be an out-of-this-world journey. Imagine this. You're cruising through space, minding your own business, when suddenly you hear about a massive asteroid hurtling towards Earth. That's Apophis for you. A near-Earth object estimated to be about 1,100 feet across. To put that into perspective, it's like having a skyscraper barreling towards us at breakneck speed. When Apophis was first discovered back in 2004, astronomers were on high alert. They thought this asteroid could spell disaster for our planet, with predictions suggesting a potential impact in the not-so-distant future. But as they tracked its orbit more closely, they realized that the situation wasn't as dire as initially thought. Fast forward to 2021, and we've got some good news to share. Thanks to radar observations and precise orbit analysis, scientists have concluded that Apophis poses no risk of impacting Earth for at least the next century. Talk about a weight off our shoulders. But wait, there's more. On April 13, 2029, Apophis will make a close flyby of Earth, passing less than 20,000 miles from our planet's surface. That's closer than some of our satellites. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for astronomers to study this cosmic interloper up close and personal. So, what's next for Apophis? Well, NASA is redirecting a spacecraft to study the asteroid in more detail. After its mission to sample asteroid Bennu, the spacecraft, now known as Asteroid Apophis, will rendezvous with Apophis in 2029. As we wrap up our journey through the cosmos, let's take a moment to appreciate the wonders of our universe, from the smallest asteroids to the grandest galaxies. And remember, even though Apophis may have had us on edge for a while, it's all part of the thrilling adventure of space exploration. Thanks for joining us on this cosmic odyssey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more epic space content. Until next time, keep looking up.